That leaves only two things. One, the Wi-Fi antenna that only plugs into one place, like I said, on the back of the display. So you're going to want to undo the cabling, run the wire up, and hang the wire right out here at the top. We're going to do this in a second. The antenna itself can go almost anywhere. Just tuck it away someplace nice and neat. There's adhesive off the back. Peel off the adhesive, stick it off to the side somewhere where the cables aren't going to pull or be in the way, and you're good to go there. So I'm going to set that into the install pile. And then the last one is, I went ahead, like I mentioned earlier, and bought the GPS splitter. This is so you can split the OEM signal that comes in for your antenna here on the car and split it off to your head unit and split it off to the new display. It's hard to show on the back here of the head unit, but it's on this side right here. There's only one cable that looks like this. All the rest look like variants of this. This is the only one that looks like this. So go ahead and unplug that, plug it in here, plug one end in here, and then run the one free side up and hang it out here at the top for your display. Okay, so go ahead and run all of your cables, get your splitter on if you decided to use that. And then lastly, and that includes this cable as well, your main cable all the way up through. And then once you have that done, we'll talk about plugging in this big main cable into the adapter and into the back of the head unit. Okay, so run your extra cables first, and then let's get this plugged in. Okay, y'all, so as you can see, all the cables are run. So this is our video cable, our primary power and data cable up for the display, our Wi-Fi antenna, and our GPS antenna. And now all we've got left is our big adapter cable.